Hello everyone, it's Gigi. Welcome to my Saturday morning makes with Jill Norwood. Hi Jill. This is episode number 28 for me, guys. So I have a few cards to share with you. I hope everyone is having an excellent Saturday. I'm not feeling my best, so this is why it's going up so late. But I hope y'all enjoy it. So let me share what I used for my first card. So I used this Colors of Autumn Recollections paper, and I used a piece out of here, and I used this one right here specifically. And then, you'll have to excuse my cat, he's making a lot of noise. Then I used my crazy stitched set die from Anna White. Hi Anna, if you're watching. I love this set, guys. It's a beautiful die set that she's created. I also used some Memento Desert Sand ink to ink around my image. I used some glossy accents. I used some masking paper from Inkadinka Do. And then I used my new Unity stamp called Cuttlebug Turkey. He is so adorable. And then I used the sentiment Happy Thanksgiving, Eat the Ham. He is so stinking cute, guys. I love him. I won him from Heather C. Crafts. Hi Heather, if you're watching. And here is the card that I made. Oh guys, I also used glitter dust. Yeah, my gold. And here's the card that I made. And I used Copics to color him up. And I think he turned out so cute. So this is the last of my Thanksgiving cards. I just need to mail them out. And I left the inside blank so that I can write in it. So that is my first project share. Then next, I created a birthday card for my dad. So let me share with y'all what I used. I used some Twisted Citron Distress Oxide. I used some mustard seed Distress Oxide. I used the happy birthday sentiment from this one. It was just the first one I grabbed that had a happy birthday. I used my white Jelly Roll pen. I used my Pebbles Classic Chalks. I always use the pink in here for my cheeks. I used the Rectangle Infinity dies by Hero Arts. These are awesome to have. I used MFT's Small Brick Wall. And lastly, I used the Kindred Stamps Journey Home, which is from Wizard of Oz, which is my dad's all-time favorite movie and one of mine. And we watch it every year on Thanksgiving Day because they always show it. So I decided this year to make him a special card. His birthday was November 19th, so it was yesterday. I already gave him his gift, but I haven't given him his card, so I'm going to go see him tomorrow with my husband, and we're going to bring this over. So I put, You've Got Heart, and I made it look like the yellow brick road, and walking along to Emerald City. And they're all there. Colored them up with Copics. And then on the inside I put, I'm over the rainbow for you, happy birthday. And unfortunately my stamp is messed up, but I've never used the set and it's so old, I seriously doubt that they can give me a new one. So it's unfortunate, but it is what it is. So that was my card, and What did I do with the other one? And here, my cats are making so much noise. I am so sorry, guys. And then here was my other card that I made. So these are my makes for the week. I hope you enjoyed. I hope y'all have a blessed Sunday. And I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.